Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for October 5, 2021. So first of all, let's take a look on the immediate SP 500. So the last couple of days, the market is trying to find support after the correction over 5%. So they try to hold on to the support, and the last couple of days they try to put it back up and down. But the overall, we still not be able to make a high yet. So technically, we are still in the sideways short-term choppy correction. So right now, I think that the market is still waiting for our government to make a decision on the debt ceiling as well as the infrastructure deal to be finalized in order for the market to smell the money before they can start moving up. Otherwise, we are still in the sideways choppy, one day up, one day down, until that issue to be resolved. Okay, so if you look at in the past, last September, so the market is slammed down, so we do a very similar formation here. So at some point here, we will find some support. So if the market top here, then bounce back up, and that's good because we only have 5% correction. But if they continue to break through this level, and then the market they can put it back down to this level for 10% correction. So we see how the market doing. So right now we are still hold on to this support level. So definitely we have to see in the next couple of days to see any good news that they can put the market to the upside. Like last year they put it back down and then they push it back up and then they slam it down. So September and October is still a kind of choppy market that we have to pay attention for that. So at this moment that we have to a little bit nimble, don't put in a lot of money yet until the market they give you the clear turnaround before you can start buying more. But take a look on the Nasdaq. As you can see that the Nasdaq is the one that leading the market in many years here. So right now they are losing momentum. They are still have not been able to get back up yet. So the momentum is still very weak. But we do have a strong support at this level here. Okay, so right now they hold on to this level, but if they continue to go down, definitely this one here will be a strong support for the Nasdaq. So again, in the short term, we still have a trouble with a lot of technology stock because you see that the interest rate is still moving back up. So this one is dangerous. So they can call the interest rate to go up, and the real estate sector definitely will get hurt, and the technology stock also will get hurt also. So depend on how high this guy can go, but the momentum is still very bullish at this moment. They come back, they retest this level. Let's see if they can hold on to that level. That's good, and then they need to slam it back down. Okay, so we do watch out for the 10-year Treasury note here. Okay, make sure that they don't break about this level here. Otherwise, it will be more downturn for the Nasdaq. So if you look at the Dow is also a sideways choppy. Okay, they found some support here. They put it back up, but we cannot break the high yet. So technically, we are still in the sideways choppy also. The Russell 2000, they still sideways here. They still have a strong support here. They're back and forward here between the buy zone and sell zone, but they trended to sideways here. We need to clear the downtrend here in order to move up. Otherwise, we can see that they will back and forward in this area until some good news come out. Okay, the Dow it also we already talked about it still sideways choppy there. But look at the crude oil. That's one of the best one. It have been moved up very quickly due to the high demand. The whole world right now we shorted of oil and coal, so that's why oil is still in a very strong high demand right now. It continues to break through the high here and then continue to pump it up to the upside. In the other hand, gold is still sideways choppy. Okay, they going down. They found a support to put it back up right into the sell zone again. So now they still sideways in the choppy downside. Okay, another good one is the Bitcoin. Bitcoin have been predicted, when it hit to the buy zone and people jump right back in, they break out. it will buy back up. So the question here, if we can clear this resistance area here, that will be more bullish for the Bitcoin in the future. Let's see if they can clear that area here. They come back retest here. If they can clear that area here, definitely it will be a strong move for the Bitcoin, as well as the Ethereum also. Ethereum, they are slower, but they try to get back to the area again. If they can clear the area here, they will come back to the top. So step by step, we will see that how far they can go here. But the overall, the Bitcoin and Ethereum, that's still pretty strong, okay, right now. So a lot of people do trade Bitcoin right now with a lot of potential good news in the future. So they keep pushing back up. If you look at the all of the sector of the S&P 500, as you can see here, the material sector is very light, but they also found a support here. The communication service sector, they fall back down. So all the this sector will get stuck at this the support area here. So this is a very important area for a lot of sectors need to be stabilized. This one is one of them. They need to pull back up. If they drop below here, then they can quickly get down to this level. The energy sector is very strong here. Right now they come back, they retest, they sell on here. So let's see if they can punch through it, or they have to pull back a little bit. So you can see that a lot of oil stock also benefit from this sector that we have been mentioned, like CLR, okay, CNQ. They are very strong. We have been talk about those stocks for a while, and it continues to rumble to the upside, as you can see there. EOG, fan stock, but it high up a little bit standard, but they still moving to the upside. It's no sign of sell yet until they show you that they are going to turn around. Okay, so another sector is also strong, that's the financial sector. So financial sector, they try to test this one here. They failed a couple of times, so this time they try to come back in again. So if one of the deals in the government to be done, this one it can punch to this level. So you can see that a lot of stock in this sector is also pretty strong. Okay, like American Express, Bank of America, as you can see there, they all Goldman Sachs, right? They all doing trying to fight a way back there. Okay, FTIB. So those stock is very strong for the bank stock. Okay, the semiconductor is also tied to find the support at this level on the. So they need to hold on to this level here. If they fail to get the support here, and then it can cause more problem for the technology. So Nvidia, they down here they found a support, so they're looking for rebound if they be able to get back up, but they still did a lot of work to get back about a 50-day moving effort in order to continue. So a lot of stuff they are right at the support level here. So this is a very critical level for the semiconductor. This one here right at support also, and Texas instrument it also try to hold on to this level too. So a lot of stock here they are at the support level. Okay, in order for to move higher, the market need to those stock they need to bounce back up. Otherwise, it will be more problem for the technology stock. In terms of the healthcare biotech sector, they are still try to hold up to the support level here, but the overall momentum is still coming down. You know, after Merck they come out with the pill that can take care, they have treat the coronavirus. A lot of vaccine companies like mRNA, okay, so they're heading south. They try to find the support here, but overall trend is still bearish. Pfizer, okay, so all big stock at one time they are leading in the vaccine. Now they continue to going down, as you can see there. Let me see here. Okay, so you can see so many stock in this sector still got problem right now. So the only MRK, the one that should have back up. So people are taking profit also. They have a support here. Let's see if they can hold it up, because this one they will eat up to the market share of the vaccine. So let's see who will win the market. Another thing here is look at the FANG stock. Okay, the FANG man stock. A lot of them, like Apple, still put it back down. So this is the support level. Apple needs to hold up and put it back up also. So many stocks like Amazon at the support. Okay, as you can see there, Google, they drop it down very quickly, but they try to bounce back today. So let's see if they're able to get back up again. So overall, the market is still sideways, choppy. So definitely you have to be careful and waiting for the market to stabilize and put it back up and give you the clear uptrend before you can start buying more stock. Okay, so another sector you can see here, like real estate, they got a problem with the interest rate increasing. Okay, so it will cause the real estate sector to put it down, but they have a strong support here also. Okay, so other than that, I think that right now, at this moment, that the two sectors that you should focus on, that a financial sector and the energy sector. So the last quarter of the year here, those two sectors are still very strong. Okay, so I think that's all I have for you today in terms of the market update. So we will hang in there and let's see how the market they are going to do in the next couple of days, and then we can see that they will continue to rip to the downside if they want more correction, or they will stabilize around here and then find a way to push it back up. Okay, like last year here. Okay, so probably they are very similar formation here. Hopefully they will do the same, and then we will go from there. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please give me the thumb up, like button below. If you have any comment, you can put it down below also. Again, thank you for watching. Good luck in your trading, and I will see you on the next update. Take care, everyone.